B-boy Push from Brooklyn. Breakdance time. Our next position, the second main position, people have different names for this. I call it the spider, or I call it push-up position, which is terrible because it's not a push-up. So I usually call it a spider, but you could maybe hear it as something else. So I'll show you what it is. Okay. When we are on the floor, we are going to be in, almost like you would go into for a push-up. Okay, so instead of being straight out like this, we are gonna bring our feet just a little bit in so they're bent. But I don't want my backside to go up. I want to keep my tushy down. Okay, keep the bum level with your head. And don't strain yourself like this. Bring your feet in. Not too close, because that's gonna feel weird. You want it to be almost like a table, but you have your feet sticking out. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up our hands one by one and our feet, and we're gonna make sure we can move in this position nice and easy, and that way we know that we are in control. If you're too far, it's gonna be really heavy to keep yourself up. Okay, so make sure you bring yourself in and get a nice even look. You should be more box-like. If you look in the mirror, you'll be able to see easier, or record yourself and you can watch it back. Those are our two main positions. Number one, we have our b-boy squat. Okay. Number two is our spider position. We are gonna bring our hands. So number two is our spider position. To get to this position from number one position, we can actually just bring our hands down, like we're gonna become a frog, and we are going to just jump our feet back while putting some weight on our hands. Boom, and I'm there. This is what it looks like on the side, okay? If I'm in my squat position, I can bring my hands in between my knees, push my legs out, and I make sure I'm not going too far out, and I don't want my backside up. I want to go back and have my back straight. Okay? Should be able to lift up, should be able to walk and move pretty freely with your body. Okay? So that's very, very base foundation of footwork in breakdancing. This is gonna help you just be able to control your body, get used to the weight, get used to the positions, and you will be able to move much more freely, create much more easily once you understand where you are and how to get between those positions. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like down, a comment, let me know what you want to know